So for priming Tiamat is Vallejo Black, and for the basing of everything, it's Colt Black or close to it, and I use purple right here for that and for the highlights. And you want to use some of the whites and the blacks to, detail it. If you want to spend so many damn hours on it, I dry brush mine because it took so long. And I don't know where I put my. There you go, space dust. Then I use the space dust. This is the electric blue intense violet, which I brushed that on. So that's for the skin. For the red dragon is bold red. Then I used orange and yellow. The white in the gums for all the dragons are these. And the teeth would be all of these. But you'll be using a lot of white and black to use highlighting it for darker and lighter tone. So that's for the red. For the blue, we have Penne Gray, blue, magenta, because pink looks, if you use yellow as it is, underneath, not underneath with anything else like, other colors, you won't see yellow, so you gotta use magenta for the yellow for it. With the green dragon, camo, green, yellow. Then I use umber brown, or use warm brown. I use that too, so I don't have umber brown anymore. For that, the blue will be blue, sky blue, but make sure it's really white, and then you dry brush the hell out of it with white. That's the blue. And the black is black, warm gray. You're gonna use white to highlight it a bit. Then use ivory to do the final highlight for it. But that's the paint that I use for my Tiamat. If you're interested in it, because a lot of times I'm not really good at editing. But anyhow, yeah, let's get started.
So I said, no, it was supposed to be my pentakill. Why did you do that to me? I killed down, no 1, 2, 3 for champions. I can't believe you're trying. No, it was supposed to be my pentakill. Why did you do that to me? I killed down, no 1, 2, 3 for champions. I can't believe you're trying.
Wait a minute!
So I said, no, 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 it was supposed to be my pentakill. Why did you die to me? I killed alone, 1, 2, 3 for champions. I can't believe you're trolling. No, it was supposed to be my pentakill. Why did you die to me? I killed alone, 1, 2, 3 for champions. I can't believe you're trolling.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night. Race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly. We'll fly away, away, away. Yeah, we'll fly. I will fly. Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories, lost in time, racing all these broken dreams tonight, and we'll fly. We'll fly away, away, away. Yeah, we'll fly. I will fly.
Tiamat is done. I hope you guys do enjoy me painting it and seeing how it looks as well. It is been sitting around for almost, since I think they made this mid of last year from Rescale Miniatures. But yeah, it's still glued on. It's still being glued and dry, so I'm not touching it. It is really big. This is my hands. My hands are pretty big. Scale to this. The previous one I built was 1/3 the size of Tiamat, and I gave that away because I feel like it needs a bigger one. I do have one that's made out of pure injector resin from Reaper that's in the garage collecting dust, and mine may work on that, so I really don't know. But anyhow, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you guys very much for your support, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.